Sue Landers, and thank you so much for joining us this midday. I'm Matthew White. Well, this morning there are new questions about the unproven drug President Trump says he's been taking along with zinc to prevent COVID-19. But a new study finds hydroxychloroquine and a similar drug, chloroquine, are linked to a higher risk of serious illness and death in COVID-19 patients. ABC's Inez de la Cuatara is in Washington with our top story this midday.
It's an unproven drug in the fight against COVID-19, but President Trump has touted hydroxychloroquine as a game changer, even claiming to be taking the drug along with zinc with the approval of the White House physician.
I'm taking it, hydroxychloroquine. Right now, yeah.
But this morning, a new study by the medical journal The Lancet, reviewing nearly 15,000 people given the drug and finding hydroxychloroquine or chloroquine, regardless of whether the antibiotic azithromycin is added, is linked to a much higher risk of death in coronavirus patients. The study also found those taking the anti-malaria drugs to treat COVID-19 face a significantly higher risk of developing a type of irregular heart rhythm that can lead to sudden cardiac arrest. The research was based on a retrospective analysis of existing cases, not a controlled randomized study, but it is the largest analysis of the drug to date.
I had a 2-week regimen of hydroxychloroquine, and I've taken it, I think, just about 2 weeks. I think it's another day. And I'm still here. I'm still here.
The FDA recommends against the use of hydroxychloroquine outside of hospitals and clinical trials. Experts now warning of a possible second wave as the nation begins to reopen. CDC Director Robert Redfield not ruling out a second lockdown, saying, "I can't guarantee. What I can say is that we are committed to using the time that we have now to get this nation as over-prepared as possible." President Trump insisting,
"Whether it's an ember or a flame, we're going to put it out. But we're not closing our country."
All 50 states have eased some form of social distancing restrictions ahead of Memorial Day. The New York Times is now reporting cases are increasing in at least 7 states. Inez de la Cuatara, ABC News, Washington.